Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we are putting the Kbear Kb02 in-ear monitors to the test. These earphones promise a powerful bass experience and we are here to see if they deliver. Are they truly a bass beast on a budget? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design. The Kb02 features a stunning resin shell, available in crystal violet, misty blue and maple brown. Each shell is 3D printed and then meticulously polished and painted, giving them a premium feel. The included cable is a high purity OFC cable, which is detachable, a great feature for longevity and customization. The 2-pin connectors ensure a secure fit. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in the ear and the overall build quality is impressive for the price. They feel solid and well made. Now let's get to the most important part, the sound. The Kbear Kb02 are all about that bass and they deliver. They feature a bone conduction driver, which is responsible for that deep, impactful low end. This technology really enhances the sub-bass frequencies, giving you a visceral listening experience. Complementing the bone conduction is an upgraded beryllium-plated diaphragm dynamic driver. This driver is positioned close to the nozzle, resulting in a wide soundstage and a clear, detailed sound. The bass is definitely the star of the show. It is powerful, punchy, and well defined, but it doesn't overpower the other frequencies. The mids are clear and present, and the highs are smooth and detailed. The overall sound signature is warm and engaging, making them perfect for genres like EDM, hip hop, and rock. However, they also handle other genres surprisingly well. The Kbear Kb02 offer incredible value for the price. You are getting a well-built earphone with a unique bone conduction driver and a powerful bass response, all for a very budget-friendly price, usually around $40. If you are a boss head looking for a pair of earphones that won't break the bank, the Kb02 are definitely worth considering. They deliver a fun and engaging listening experience with a focus on that satisfying low-end rumble. They are perfect for everyday listening, gaming, or anyone who enjoys a bass, heavy sound. So as you can see, it comes with 3 different sets of rubber, different sizes. so you can try the ones that fit properly in your ear. So compared with other in EAM that I currently have, these ones are the ones with the best look, and probably also the build quality. This is the one with best quality, no doubt at all. Also the cable is really nice, so it doesn't tangle, it doesn't keep the memory, and they connect really easy. So there you have it, Kb02, a true bass beast on a budget. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more audio reviews. Let me know in the comments what do you think of these earphones and what other products would you like me to review. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on a new video. Bye bye.